I am Ruchika, Assistant Professor at Shri Atam Vallabh Jain College, Ludhiana. I have completed my post-graduation from Arya College, Ludhiana. I was district topper during my post-graduation. Teachers of this college are very nice and very helpful. Even I have started my college profession from this college, that is Arya College, Ludhiana. And this college gives me an opportunity to fulfill my aim in the life. Reason behind is that the teachers are so supportive. They help me in shaping and building my career. I feel proud to be the part of this college. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Geetu Sharma, Assistant Professor in Commerce, Shri Atam Vallabh Jain College, Ludhiana. I have done my post-graduation in Commerce from Arya College, Ludhiana. I awarded as Roll of Honor from this esteemed institution for getting university position. Even I have started my profession in this college. The teachers in this college are too good. They are so much supportive. They have made a positive difference in my life. They are the reason where I am today. I feel proud to be a part of this esteemed institution, that is Arya College, Ludhiana. Love you, Arya College.
Hi everyone, my name is Vishal Gupta. I'm a chartered accountant by profession and presently working for a foreign bank as a portfolio manager. I completed my Bachelor of Commerce Honours in Finance from Arya College, Ludhiana. It's a very well maintained campus with all needed facilities. The classrooms are very spacious with natural airing and always kept clean by both students and the management. College does have an excellent library offering broad variety of books for the students and the teachers to well equipped to the latest trends. As far as academics is concerned, quality of teaching is excellent. Teachers are very friendly, helpful, and always drive students to reach greater peaks. I am fortunate to be a part of this prestigious institution. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Rajat Kauda. I have been a student of Arya College for 5 years, as I have done my Masters as well as Bachelors in Commerce from Arya College. And about Arya College, words fall short when I have to talk about my college. Today I would take this opportunity to thank all my teachers for their best efforts. They had been such great personalities that led to our holistic development, maybe it be in the field of communication, teaching skills by way of presentation, and their way of interacting with us was really fabulous. And whatever I am today I am successfully working as a lecturer in Meritorious School Ludhiana, which is one of the pioneer project of Government of Punjab. Before that I worked as an assistant professor in commerce in Shri Atam Vallabh Jain College, as well as in the same college where I studied, that is Arya College. And we have lot of memories attached to that college. बस इतना ही कहूँगा लास्ट में, काश बदल जाए ये तकदीर एक बार फिर से, वो लास्ट बेंच में बैठना, वो टीचरों की डांट तो कभी फटकार तो कभी प्यार, और मिल जाएं दोबारा से वो यार, एक बार फिर कॉलेज लाइफ जीने का दिल करता है.
Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Sharma. I am from batch 2013-16 in Arya College for Boys in Ludhiana. I have done my BCom from here. My life at Arya for these 3 years were amazing. Like starting with my college life, even I was at the same place like other freshers, with fears, anxiety and doubts about what I am going to do for next these years, how I am going to build myself more in myself. But I would like to tell you that I have learned lots of things in my college life from my first year till the final year, which just cannot be said in the moment. I am grateful to our college management, our teachers, for the liberty that they gave us, the freedom that they gave us to not just focus on our studies. They want us to excel everywhere and all the time in other activities also. I had enjoyed my college life and I always remember those days. So big credit goes to our teachers in the college. Because of them I am here today. Currently I am working with the Vardhaman Group in his corporate office. From last 3 years I am there and working on different marketing projects across all over the India. And in the last, to all the students in Arya College, for the time period you guys are here, just like to tell you few important things. First is to come out of your comfort zone, expand your comfort zone. Second is always keep learning about new things, innovative things. Do your best each day and every day. Give your best in every activity you do. and in the last, which is most important, enjoy yourself thoroughly, make friends, meet people. So wish you all the success in your life. All the best. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hardeep Pasi. I was a student of Arya College from 2008 to 2014. I feel so lucky because ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਰੀਆ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਦੈਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਮੈਂ ਆਰੀਆ ਕਾਲਜ ਤੋਂ ਪੋਸਟ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਸ਼ਨ ਮਾਸਟਰਸ ਆਫ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ PGDCA ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਔਰ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਇਥੋਂ ਕਲਚਰ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹਿੱਸਾ ਲਿਆ ਔਰ ਮਮਿਕਰੀ ਐਂਡ ਥੀਏਟਰ ਮੈਂ ਕੀਤਾ। ਮਮਿਕਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਜੋਨਲ ਯੂਥ ਫੈਸਟੀਵਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਯੂਥ ਫੈਸਟੀਵਲ ਤੱਕ ਵਿਨਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਔਰ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਮੈਂ ਸੈਟਲ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਰੋਲ ਆਫ ਆਨਰ ਅਵਾਰਡੀ ਵੀ ਰਿਹਾ। ਐਂਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਹੋ ਸਕਿਆ ਜੇਕਰ ਮੈਂ ਆਰੀਆ ਕਾਲਜ ਦਾ ਪਾਰਟ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਾਂ। ਆਰੀਆ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨੇ ਅੱਛੇ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਟੀਚਿੰਗ ਐਂਡ ਨਾਨ ਟੀਚਿੰਗ ਸਟਾਫ ਦਾ ਸਾਥ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਔਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਇਨਫਰਾਸਟ੍ਰਕਚਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਿਆ। I proud on Arya College and again thank you so much all Aryans.
Hi everyone, Namaskar, this is Kumar Sharma. I'm a dancer choreographer and right now I'm working in Bollywood and television industry. My latest work in Bollywood was for movie Houseful 4 and on television I did Super Dancer Chapter 3 as a mentor to a kid 9 years old kid Narendra and we went till top 5 of the show. So मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि मैं एक प्राउड स्टूडेंट हूँ आर्या कॉलेज का। Why प्राउड स्टूडेंट? Because the college has given me so much from giving opportunities to perform in the youth festivals to encouraging every time for co-curricular activities. And you know, I still remember जब हम जीत जाते थे यूथ फेस्टिवल्स में तो और मेहनत करने के लिए हमेशा हमें encouragement दी जाती थी और if we couldn't get the prize तो भी हमारे जो डीन थे सुधीर सर और SP सर वो हमेशा हमें encourage ही करते थे। So thank you so much to all the teachers and उस वक्त के प्रिंसिपल सर और राइट नाउ ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल, थैंक यू सो मच क्योंकि हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है कॉलेज में रहते हुए। जैसा कि कहते हैं कि सपनों की शुरुआत कॉलेज से ही होती है। आई स्टिल रिमेंबर परफॉर्मिंग सोलो कथक ऑन द स्टेज ऑफ आर्या कॉलेज एंड अब जब मैं बॉलीवुड की डांसिंग क्वीन माधुरी दीक्षित जी के लिए भी कोरियोग्राफ कर चुका हूँ झलक दिखला जा के ग्रैंड फिनाले में। So this all started in the college और thank you so much for giving me wings जिनकी मदद से मैं उड़कर यहाँ तक पहुँच सका हूँ। दोबारा से मैं नमस्कार करता हूँ ऑनरेबल प्रिंसिपल को और सभी टीचर्स को। थैंक यू सो मच।
I am a resident of Ludhiana city and also a proud alumni of Arya College Ludhiana. Right now, I am into cycle manufacturing business which I started 4 years ago with the blessings of Almighty, my parents and all my respected teachers at that time when I was studying in BCom second year. A few days back, I visited my college because I was missing all my teachers and all my memory I cherished in that college. So I went to the college, I met all my teachers, principal ma'am, and I was so happy. I felt so good to see that the new infrastructure of Arya College, the new way they have adopted to teach the students and our playground and everything about college. I love to see that and I wish all the best to my college in the coming years. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Akash Abbott. I am currently working with Capital Small Finance Bank as a credit officer. I am alumni member of Arya College Ludhiana. As we all know, the best teachers teach from their heart, not from their book. So it is also true in the case of Arya College teacher. I really want to express my gratitude towards the worthy principal and lovely teachers for their moral support and guidance. Besides studies, Arya College also organizes various activities like sport fest, farewell parties, freshers, which helps students to enhance their skills and grow in future. Thanks a lot for everything, Maharya College. Thank you.